Keep it coming, straight back. Easy now, right there.
Let's verify the water quality data for this section.
Pulling it up now, everything is optimal. Keep the truck moving slowly to the next section.
Copy that, leveling the feed now.
Everything appears normal here. Note the follicular activity.
Confirmed. Data logged. The follicular structures look healthy.
Agreed. The measurements are consistent with the previous scan.
All stations are reporting normal parameters. Proceed with the biometric scan for stall 2. Inspection cycle 16 is now complete.
Check the pressure on bay 3. Looks good. All right, we are ready for the bulls.
Keep the line moving, emphasis.
Next section, right this way.
This hide has an excellent grain.
Let's check the thickness.
Thickness is perfect.
Everything running smoothly on this end.
Confirm, the hair removal is complete.
Water flow seems low here.
Right.
Increasing the pressure now.
We need to increase the flow rate on this side. Adjusting it now. The color saturation looks good.
Check the clasp on this purse, Character B. Solid gold, perfectly set. Looks good, Character A.